This AI app lets you generate unlimited AI videos using Google's Veo 3.1 model. No sign up, no credit limits, just install the app and keep creating as much as you want. And yeah, as of today, it's completely free. Let me show you exactly how it works.
First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for GenV. It should be the first app that shows up. Go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, open the app. Tap Do Not Consent, then tap Continue. Continue again, and one more time. Now tap Agree, then hit Continue. You'll land on the main dashboard. Now here's the interesting part. This app isn't just for AI videos. You can also generate AI images for free. So let's start with an image first. Tap the image option. Now tap Free Image. Open the model dropdown, and you'll see several image models available. Pick whichever one you want. For this demo, I'm choosing Nano Banana Pro. Next, select your aspect ratio. For resolution, the free version currently supports 1 kilobit, so we'll leave that as is. Now enter your prompt and tap Create. When the pop-up appears, just tap to agree, and there it is. Our image is ready. Honestly, the quality looks really clean. Now let's download it. Just tap Download. You'll notice there's an ad label. As soon as you download, a short ad will start playing, and honestly, that's a pretty fair trade if you're getting unlimited free generations. Once the ad finishes, your image is automatically saved to your gallery. Mine's already there. Now go back. You might see another ad appear. Just close it, and we're ready for the next step. Now let's generate a video. Switch over to the Video tab, scroll down, and tap Free Video. Open the model dropdown. You'll see multiple options here, including Free Video, Grok, and Veo. Grok is currently a paid model, so you can't use that for free. Instead, select Google Veo 3.1 Fast. The duration stays at 8 seconds. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, and in the free version, the highest available resolution is 720p. Now head back and paste your prompt into the prompt box. I'm using the exact same prompt I used for the image, and then tap Create. Tap Agree one more time, and the generation starts. You'll see the processing status here. Once it finishes, your video will appear right below, and there it is. Let's play it. Take a look at that. The video quality is surprisingly smooth. Now, if you want to save it, just tap Download. Just like before, an ad will play first. Once it ends, the video is automatically saved to your gallery. Let's download it. And there we go. The video's already saved. Now let's try something different. The first example was realistic. This time, I'm going with a 3D cartoon style. I'll paste a new prompt, then tap Create. And just like that, the new video is finished. Let's preview it. Honestly, this style turned out really well too. To save it, just tap Download, watch the short ad, and it'll automatically appear in your gallery. Now let me open my gallery so you can verify everything. You can see both videos right here, including the ones we just generated. I'll play the first one. And here's the second one as well. So basically, this app lets you generate unlimited AI images and unlimited AI videos. There are currently no credit limits and no daily generation limits. The only trade-off is watching a short ad before downloading. Now, one quick thing I want to mention, this is how the app works as of today. If you're watching this weeks or months later, the developers could always change their pricing or limits. That's completely outside my control. But right now, it's available for free, so if you've been looking for an easy way to create AI content without running out of credits, this is definitely worth testing while it's still available.
If you're building a faceless channel, experimenting with AI content, or just testing new creative tools, don't wait too long. AI apps change fast, and free offers don't always stick around. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools, creator workflows, and practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.